Hello everyone, I'm meteorologist John Travers with Weather Briefings, where the sky is just the start. It is Saturday, the 29th of December, and we are looking at a conveyor belt of storms over the next several days. In fact, right on through the middle part of January, it looks like we will have storms crossing the country, bringing everything from severe weather and tornadoes to the south to blizzard conditions over portions of the Midwest, Ohio Valley, on up into the Northeast. This first storm that we're taking a look at right now is winding up in true fashion. We have a storm that is still blowing across parts of southern Indiana and a little bit of snow across parts of Illinois, across Michigan. The thrust of this storm is that the heavy snow across the southern Ohio Valley will continue to move to the northeast. There'll be a new low that develops off the coast and produce a whole lot of snow across New York and across all of the New England area as we move into the next several through the day today. Weather Briefings is a 24-hour-a-day, 7-day-a-week weather service. We provide snow removal companies with very customized weather. If you subscribe to us, we are offering our basic rate for our premium service through the next couple of weather screen, your own weather alerts, 24-hour access to our meteorologists, settlement snow data, so our certified consulting meteorologists will put their stamp of approval and certification on all of the snowfall accumulations at the end of a storm. And we provide a variety of, we offer a 2-week snow outlook, where snow and ice outlook, where you'll have an opportunity to do significant advanced planning. And then again, our alerts, which we issue up to 7 days in advance, and our warnings, which we issue within 72 hours of a storm, and they are exclusive to you and your specific requirements. I'd like to go on and take a look at this storm fashion here. The next map I'd like to show you is our Euro model, and this is one of the models that we use at Weather Briefings to determine how storms are moving along. I'd like you to look at all of this area here, which is precipitation, this blue line, you will find frozen precipitation to the south and east, showers and thunderstorms. We are expecting a chance of severe weather across the southeast today, with very likely very major snow events still continuing across the Ohio Valley. This period of time is, I'll go ahead and move it as of 8 a.m. tomorrow morning, and this morning, Saturday morning. Let's go ahead and take a look at this storm as we move it into motion. A major low develops just off the coast of Virginia and moves up north to about 75 miles southeast of the easternmost tip of Long Island. And then we continue to move the maps in motion, and we will see that the storm moves on up inland, producing very heavy snow across Vermont, New Hampshire, also Rhode Island, Massachusetts, Connecticut, most of New York State, northern Pennsylvania, as well as northern New Jersey and the New York area. We're expecting accumulations anywhere from 3 to 6 inches across much of the Ohio Valley into the Pennsylvania, New Jersey, New York area, with as much as 6 to 12 inches further to the northwest. If you subscribe to Weather Briefings, we will be able to give your exact accumulations, not only in your area, but by client. In other words, if you have 20, 50, 500 snow removal clients, we will do our best to give you a start-stop time in terms of snowfall, as well as an exact accumulation forecast several days in advance, and we'll refine that as we get closer to our actual event. Continuing to move this map into motion, we will see that the storm basically takes across New England, and the snow continues to diminish across parts of New England as we move further into the day. We want to take a look a little further to the west to see the next storm as it develops, and we'll go ahead and do that by moving the maps further into motion here. A new storm sets itself up. Storms to be the rule across portions of Oklahoma all the way down into Texas, and there could be another severe weather outbreak on New Year's Day. We'll go ahead and look at this storm as it heads off to the east and see how severe weather is very likely across most of the south as the storm progresses. The service that we are offering to snow removal companies can be set up in just a matter of hours. You can contact me at jtravers@weatherbriefings.com, and you can also go to sign up at winterstormoutlook.com. The maps moving into motion, you'll see that this next storm on New Year's Day has the potential of producing quite a lot of severe weather across the southeast. The 540 millibar thickness line is further to the south. It looks like we will escape significant snowfall in the northeast across portions of North and South Dakota and Minnesota. That should produce anywhere from 3 to 6 inches, maybe a little bit more of snowfall across that area with whipping winds. Winds could gust as high as 50 miles per hour across the Dakotas as we move into the 2nd of January. And we will continue to move these maps forward. That Alberta Clipper quickly moves off to the east and south, and moving up the coast produces another chance for snow across the area around the 4th of January. And we will continue to move the maps forward, and we see that the 500 moves just a little further to the west, another significant event around the 7th of January. Our biggest concern is as we move toward the 12th of January. These maps don't take us quite that far into motion, but I do want to show you what we think is likely to happen as we move into the 12th of January. The snow and rain that you see off to the northwest, let's go ahead and take a look. And I'll show you this area right here is expected to develop warm off to the southeast right around here on the 8th of January and then dive south. It will probably move into parts of Louisiana. The storm then will track to the east right along the Gulf Coast, and by the 12th of January we expect a significant nor'easter to develop probably somewhere between eastern Georgia and we are expecting potentially a lot of snow in the New York City area, maybe over 6 inches, and it's way too early to call, of course, but the entire Northeast is expecting a major storm as we move into the 12th of January. So it's time to sign up now for our services. We're offering a very special rate for the next several days. Our basic rate for our premium services, our basic rate is $575, and our premium service rate is over $1,000, but we're offering you our premium services for the rest of the winter for the $575 per month. We look forward to you joining our services, and if you'd like to go to winterstormoutlook.com, you can read up more about our services. You can contact me by phone or by email, and then you can actually sign up right there on winterstormoutlook.com for the latest weather briefings pro service. Again, I'm meteorologist John Travers watching the storm for you. We'll do another update sometime later on today. It is again Saturday, December 29th, and we're watching a storm as it develops off the east coast and moves from the Ohio Valley and produces quite a lot of snow across the region. Thank you very much. I'm John Travers.